You are now tuned in with Trophy. Go Trophy. We can laugh, crack jokes, be open. Go Trophy. Only with Trophy.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a review from Curlsqueen. This is my first time working with them, so I was super excited. They sent over this little brush, which is so cute, and then they sent over a bonnet as well. So today I am going to be using their kinky straight hair. They sent over 2 bundles, which was more than enough, you guys. Their bundles are so thick, they're 150 grams, so that equals like 3 or 4 bundles from other companies, and I didn't even use all my hair. But anyway, let's move on. So my hair is in these messy little braids. Y'all know how I do. I'm adding some of this Do Grow Itch oil. This is stuff that I use, and my hair never itches when I use this stuff. So this is my little leave out in the middle. I'm just pinning that away, and then we are going to put on our wig cap. I'm just using a black wig cap because I am going to be molding. I'm putting this protective shield on my hair. I think they call it molding. This is my very first time ever using it. I just got it from my beauty supply. So basically this is like the barrier in between your hair and the glue. So make sure you put a generous amount. I should have put more on there. When I look back at it, I see I missed a couple spots, but this is my first time doing it, and it is so thick. Like when it comes out, it's really thick, and you kind of feel like you had enough, but you really don't have enough. So I'm just putting a lot on there, I thought, but I should have put a lot more on there. So after I'm done applying all of the protective shield to my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and put my blow dryer on it. I think my blow dryer was like on the cool setting. You have to make sure that the protective shield is all the way completely dry before you start adding the tracks. And just to make sure it was extra secure, I just decided to sew it down around like my anchor braids at the top where I was going to cut it off later on, just to make sure it doesn't shift or anything. And me doing that, I'm glad I did that because it did not shift at all after I cut it. And then of course it wasn't all the way dry, so I'm still drying it a little bit more. Okay, now we get to apply the tracks, y'all. Look how much hair came in one bundle of hair. You get a lot of hair with this bundle. So all I'm doing now is measuring out my hair, and then I am going to start gluing it on. So basically what I'm doing is I'm measuring out how long the track has to be, and then I'm adding the glue and then just gluing it in place. This is such an easy process. Even a beginner can do it. So if you don't know how to do sew-ins, if you don't know how to do all this wig stuff, you can definitely do this, because this is literally my first time doing a quick weave like this. I've done quick weaves in the past, but I've never used a protective shield thing. This is a new process for me, but it's so easy. Okay, now that I'm at the top, I'm going to cut off that extra wig cap, and I'm glad that I sewed it down like I said earlier, because it really did not move or go anywhere. With this the protective shield and stuff, it just feels like super secure, and I like that it's secure but it's not tension or anything on my head because I'm not really like sewing it down or nothing like that. I added a couple tracks like right at the very top after I cut it, just to make sure I had enough hair up there. Okay, so look how much hair we had left over. You still have a lot of hair left over. Now I'm going to go ahead and start straightening the hair. Y'all know I love kinky straight hair texture, but I don't like the crinkles, so I'm gonna get rid of all the crinkles. I'm using the comb chase method so that I can get the bundles nice and straight. Okay, now I'm adding a little bit of wax stick to my leave out, and then I'm going to straighten my leave out. Okay, now that my leave out is straight, I'm just going to brush my hair in with the weave to make sure it blends. So I am going to cut layers into the hair. My hair is still quite short, so I have to do layers so it doesn't look crazy, because like you can clearly see the difference where my hair stops. So I'm trying to cut the layers in there so that it can be a nice transition from my hair to the other hair, so it's not as noticeable. And then of course layers, it just makes the hair look really pretty, like when you do curls and stuff. When you have the layers, it just hits different. Speaking of curls, we are going to add some curls to the hair now. So I'm just using my curling iron and I'm curling the hair going to the back. Okay y'all, so this is how the hair looks after I curled it and everything. One thing I will say about this hair is it is very lightweight, very soft, very fluffy. As you guys can see how it's moving, like it just looks like real hair, like you pressed your hair out, just came from the beauty salon type of hair. Like it looks very, very natural, and it's very, very soft, and it's very lightweight. You really don't need to use all of the bundles. which I like. So it just looks really natural to me. I am upset. Like, look at it. Oh my god. Okay, it looks so pretty. So yeah, I really like this method, and I am officially a fan of quick weaves. Like, quick weaves are the way to go. So if you like this video, definitely check out Curlsqueen, because I am very impressed from my first time trying them. Definitely check them out. They have a lot of natural hair textures. They have curly, kinky straight, they have yaki, and other textures. So check them out. I will have all the links down below in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.